Hello everyone, my name is Kenny from ETN.CONNECT Limited. Welcome back. I would like to quickly show us how to create 3 different accounts for our products. And the major reason why we are creating these 3 accounts is for us to be able to calculate our profits and loss effectively. And these 3 accounts plays vital role in calculating the profit and loss, also in some accounting modules on this software. And before we proceed with the creation of the 3 accounts, we need to know the product type for that product. The product type means category in which the product will belong to. So now, how do we create these 3 different accounts? It is very simple. So let's all just pay attention. Let's watch. On this upper part of the we'll see different module, and on it we'll see admin. Let's mouse over the admin for us to see the different drop downs that we have. Among them we'll see setup. Let's click on setup. On the setup page we'll see accounts. So from the accounts we'll be able to create the different accounts that we want. So it's loading. So on this account creation page, we can see the list of various accounts that has been created previously. And if you want to create a new account now, we'll move to the upper part of the page. There we can see account name, account code, starting balance, initialization account, account type, and so on. So let's start. What do I really want to start with? I need to create 3 different accounts, and these accounts are sales accounts, cost of goods sold accounts, and inventory accounts. So all these 3 accounts are very important. So let's start with sales accounts. I want to add account name sales account, and the product type that I want to create this account for is product type food. So let me start with sales account. I'm abbreviating my name. I'm abbreviating the name I want to use, which is SAL-food. So if you like, you can write your own in full, SAL food. Okay, then the account code. Me, I want to start with 1000, then -11. This 11 in front signifies sales account for food. So the second one, which is cost of goods for food, will now be 1000-12. Then for the inventory account for food will now be 1000-13. So we should always make sure that all these account codes are sequential. So I'm through with the account code. If you have any starting balance, we can enter it here, and always let's make sure that if we input any value for this starting balance, we must also select the credit or debit side of it. If this starting balance is in credit or if it is in debit, we must not forget to select which part it belongs to. So now to the initialization account. Initialization account, if you have an initial account that you are operating on and you want to continue from there, so you can as well select it from the list of accounts that we have here. If there is none, you can leave it at select 1. So let's now move to account type. Account type for account name sales food will now be income, because any money we get from the sales of food will automatically be income. So if you have any parent account to be linked with this account name sales food, you can also select it here from this parent account. So you can select, but if you don't have any, you can leave it as select 1. Then let's click on load data. It's telling us record added. So let's quickly add the second one, which is the cost of goods food, I'm using COGS because I always tell you I like to abbreviate the name I'm using. COGS Foods. So if you like, you can write your own in full. So the account code will be 1000-12, just like I've said earlier. Then the starting balance, you can enter value if you wish. If you have, then don't forget this credit or debit side. Always select the right leg for the starting balance. And also, if you have initialization account for cost of goods food, you can also select it here. So let's quickly move to the account type. So the account type for cost of goods food will be cost of goods sold. So now we are through with this cost of goods sold account creation. Let's click on load. So record added. So let's now quickly go to the last one, which is the inventory account for food. So me, I'm using IVN-food. That's the account name that I want to use for inventory food. Then the account code will be 1000-13. You know, all this number are following each other. Then the starting balance, if I have, let's put it here, but if there's none, let me leave it at 0. Then initialization account also, if I have an initialization account, I can select it here. So let's quickly move to the account type. The account type for inventory food is always inventory. So I've selected inventory, and if I have any parent account I want to link this inventory food to, I can as well select it from the list of accounts that I have here. But right now I don't have any, so that is why I'm leaving it at select one, empty. Then for the starting balance also, if I've inputted a value here, so definitely I must always select credit or debit for the starting balance. So I'm through with the inventory account for food. So I've clicked on load. Record added. So it means that we've successfully added account for sales for food, then account cost of goods sold for food, then also the inventory account for food. Thank you very much.